Okay, today let's try to demonstrate how to use the search function and XLOOKUP function in Excel to do description analysis. In big data analysis, right, very often we got this kind of very long descriptive statement, right? Sometimes it is very difficult to analyze for this kind of sentences with no structure, and people can use different kind of. So this example is the description of alternation and addition works, ANA works in Auckland region. And here the column A shows the house number, and column E shows the description of the ANA works. So some are site works for relocation, some are kitchen and bedroom extension, and some are removal of existing floor beams and internal walls. So how can we analyze this kind of descriptive sentences by using the search function and XLOOKUP function? Say, for example, we would like to search whether this description contains these keywords such as garage. So because one of the major ANA works in the Auckland region is an addition of garage, third, carport, deck, etc. So if we can put all these keywords to be matched or searched from all the description, and here indeed the data file is very, very large. It contains about 1 million records of ANA works. So it would be very difficult to do the search manually. So let's show you how to do that by the search function. Then here, first of all, I showed you the command, and it contains of 3 commands indeed. The innermost part is search, and we are going to search this keyword F3, right, whether it contains GGE from the description E4 here, and if so, is it a number? So if it contains, then it reports a number, so it's a number. And if it is a number, then return 1. If not, then return 0. So it is right by means of this method, then we can analyze this description by searching the keywords. So you will find that, say, for example, this house, right? The description of the ANA works include the word garage. And because search functions is not case sensitive, so even though garage in the description start with a capital letter, it still reports a 1 here. Then, right, by means of this analysis, then we can sum up how many works are in relation to the ANA of garage. Right, similarly, you will find that, right, it search the word room in this description. So this column room will also report 1. So you can take a look about this if function, is number, search, and copying formula downward and sideways. Then you can do everything in one go. Similarly, if you would like to have case sensitive, then you just replace the function search by find. Then everything the same. Then you will be able to find a word from the description by means of a case sensitive search. But sometimes we are not just going to identify whether it contains the keyword or not. We would like it to report the description of a house. Say, for example, now we would like to ask, if we would like to ask Excel to report house number 3 description. Then shows you if you know how to use XLOOKUP, which can replace the index match function. Here shows you the XLOOKUP, which perform exactly the same as the index match function. XLOOKUP, the cell E5, here you will find that E5 is family room and then should, so you do not have to type by yourself. You simply copy and paste. And here shows you we are going to look up the description E5 from E column. And if you find, then report the corresponding A column information, that is house number 3. Okay, so these 5 functions are very powerful, right, for big data analysis. In this example, we are going to analyze description, finding keywords and matching corresponding house number with description. And other sentiment analysis will similarly use similar techniques, trying to identify keywords from description and match corresponding item numbers so that we can then analyze this kind of descriptive information. That's all for today. Thank you.